Hello my viewers, welcome to my channel. Lydia Mnene here speaking. I'm always excited whenever it's my time to talk to my viewers. Welcome to my channel once again. My channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. I've recorded a number of videos either about travel or affiliate marketing. Please go ahead and watch these videos. Today I've come to share with you social media marketing and the travel business. Social media marketing and the travel business. I believe at the end of this video you will have learned something. You will have learned something about social media marketing, how you can make your travel or tour business go to another level through social media marketing. Yeah, social media has been really widely used of recent in the whole world. I'm so glad that social media is worldwide. Travel or tourism is worldwide, so you cannot separate the two. And the travel business deals with people, basically deals with people. So the two are interlinked. You cannot separate the two. So most of the travel businesses of recent have embraced social media. So many websites for travel businesses, they have social media accounts and they put these links on their websites. Very, very important, because when clients visit your website, in most cases they will follow up and see what your social media account is all about. How people, because like social media, people interact. So how people react, how people perceive your business, very, very important. Yes, and the social media has their different accounts, different companies that have come up with these social media accounts. A number of them, many are coming up. Some of them I even don't know. Yes, but among them, of course, there's Facebook. Most of the people in the world are on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, so many. Some of them I mentioned, I even don't know them. So as a travel business or a tour company, I believe you need to sit down and analyze all these social media accounts that you know, and then you choose maybe 3 that you can concentrate on, because you cannot do it, the work becomes too much and it causes a lot of confusion. So it is rather better you pick out a few social media accounts that you can manage, and the travel businesses must know this, that for your social media account to help you, to be of use, to be of importance, you need to know your audience. So that you know the content that you're supposed to do upload, that you're supposed to share with your audience. Yes, very, very important. Otherwise, if you don't know your audience, you will misfire. You will put, and then also consistency is very, very important. Consistency. I have seen so many social media accounts for travel businesses. You find they last posted the 20, as in their last post was 2020, beginning of 2020. All that period, you lose out people. People lose, as in they lose interest in your content. So as tour operators or travel businesses, we need to be consistent. If you find that it takes a lot of time, you can hire an expert to do for you this. People are out there who are looking for employment to do that. Very, very important. And also, if you cannot hire an expert, there are so many digital marketing companies out there that are looking for businesses. You can outsource, and these people can even give you good ideas how you can best promote your travel products on social media. Yes, so as travel businesses, we need to embrace social media so much, because it's very, very important. First of all, social media connects you with your previous clients, connects you with your current clients that can do what, that can give reviews about your company, and reviews are very, very important. These days, clients are booking like their trips depending on the reviews they have seen on social media, on other platforms. Very, very important. So we need to keep in touch with our client through, and it's very paramount for travel businesses to put their social media links on their website. Very, very important. Another beautiful thing I know about social media helps in building your brand. Very, very important, because there are some people who are interested in your business, but the easiest way that you can keep your business in their minds is through social media, like friends, like relatives and family, like people if you even don't know. Me, who is speaking here, sometimes on my Facebook account, I post, but sometimes these people even don't comment. But when they find me, they're like, wow, we see your posts and they're really good. So what does that mean? It has kept my business. It has kept me in the minds of the people who can, potential clients. So it's very, very important. Yes. And I think that's what I wanted to share with you. That's all I had to share with you concerning social media and the travel businesses. Let us embrace the social media accounts. We cannot be disappointed as long as you know what to do there. Consistency, right content, and also act as an expert. Let your content be educative to the world. Yes, people are looking for knowledge everywhere. So make your content, make your account to be an account that is resourceful. Yes. So thank you for listening to me. Every week I upload 2 videos, one on Monday at 8:30 p.m. East Africa time. I have been uploading on Friday at 8 p.m. East Africa time, but now it's 8:30 p.m. East Africa time. Like I mentioned at the beginning, my channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. I've recorded a number of videos about travel and affiliate marketing. Please go ahead and watch the videos. I hope you've liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you if you have not yet subscribed, please click on that red subscribe button and subscribe. Yes, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload these videos. And these videos I premiere them, and I'm always online when these videos are premiering. Please come along with me. We chit chat. You chat with other viewers on my channel watching my video. I enjoy when I go to other people's videos and I chat with other people. Wow, it's so nice for me. So please come along. Thank you for listening to me. That's what I wanted to share with you concerning social media and travel business, travel or tour business. Thank you for coming along. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Yes. So until when my next video will be uploaded, I wish you well. I wish you safe. Please keep yourself safe so that you can travel tomorrow. Bye-bye.